Good morning. Today we are correcting PO18. I can multiply fractions by whole numbers. Now, we talked while we were doing work kind of how you could cross simplify. We're gonna look at this shortcut that we can do real quick. You have your numerator over your denominator of your whole number. So that's like saying your whole number divided by that denominator times that numerator. So it's the same thing we talked about while we were doing the work yesterday. So I don't think it was on the video, but it's like that cross simplifying. So dividing that whole number by your denominator, and then you multiply it by the numerator. So your whole number divided by the denominator multiplied by the numerator. It's all the same thing. So we get the same answer. It's just another way that we can do it. So let's look at our answers. Let's do the first row. We have 10, 24, 18, 35, and 6. Any questions on how I got any of those numbers? Bottom row, we have 28, 42, 27, and 22.5. So that one isn't just a whole number. There is a decimal there. Any questions on those ones? All right, let's look at our word problems. Your basketball team scores a total of 45 points, and you calculate that you scored 2/9 of them. How many points did you score? 2/9 times 45 gives us 10 points. The next night you score 8 points, which is 2/5 of the team's total. How many points did the team score? So you scored 2/5 of the 8 points. So 2/5, and we don't know. Let me see how we worked this one out. The answer is 20 points that you scored. Sorry, 20 points that the team scored, because you scored 8 points, and 8 points is 2/5 of what? So we know that we've got our fifths here. You scored 2/5, so 8 points would be 4 times the 5. Yeah. Do you guys understand this one? Did everybody get 20 points, or are we not sure how we did that? All right, let's work this one out together. So we have, how did we get 4 is 1/5? So if we make that bar, we know it's broken up into 5 sections, right? Because it's 2/5. And we scored 2/5, which is 8. So 2 out of the 5 equals 8 points. So one of them would be 4 points. Each of those sections would be 4 points. Does that make sense when we see it as our picture? Remember how we did that up on top? How we divided up our sections to see how many were in each section. So for this one, you could have divided it up into your 5 sections, and then you would have seen 2 of those sections gave us 8 points. So half of that, one section would be 4 points. There are 5 sections, so we could do 4 times 5 equals our 20 points. Does that make sense? Okay. Now the review. Ordering from least to greatest, we have 3/16 because that's close to 0. 4/8 is a half, that's in the middle. 13/20 is bigger than a half. Adding 5/9 plus 1/6, we get 13/18. Subtracting, we get 17/30. And multiplying, we get 2/3. Remember, simplifying matters. Anybody want me to go over how I got any of those answers? Okay. If you are watching at home, we hope you are well. We hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.